Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate the application iMovie on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the Mac computer itself, the application from the App Store. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for iMovie, or we can go back to the desktop, Command Space, search for iMovie through a Spotlight search, or we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Applications, go to iMovie, or we can search iMovie, Applications, and there we have iMovie. Let's just double click on this. And there we have the application itself. Let's just quit iMovie, quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.